So parents, you might be wondering, where am I going to choose to send my student? That's a big choice that you have to make. And I want to give you just a few reasons why I believe Littleton High School is the best choice for your student. First, we are an international baccalaureate school where we teach students global mindedness, how to collaborate with others, and problem solve in every single one of their classes.
The academics at Littleton are really unique, providing options like IB, AP, and concurrent enrollment, so it's really easy to find something for everyone.
The IB diploma program at Littleton High School is for any student who wants academic rigor. Students take high-level classes in all subject areas.
Here at LHS, all of our 9th and 10th graders are in our middle years IB program. We want all of our MYP classes to provide relevance to the outside world.
I like Littleton because there's an opportunity to do IB and sports.
Science classes at Littleton are awesome. My favorite is crime sciences because the teacher is super helpful and the learning is super hands-on. We get to do a bunch of fun labs like blood spatter and a pig autopsy at the end of the year to show our learning.
We tend to be a smaller high school, and this allows us to get to know our students a lot better. With smaller class sizes and more one-on-one in our seminars.
One of my favorite classes at Littleton High School has been photography. When I first started taking it, I didn't know that it was a STEM class. We learned about wavelengths and mechanical applications, and it was just really cool.
There's so many opportunities here. There's something for everyone. So if you like woodworking, if you like sports, art.
And what I see in this school is kindness. I see kids looking out for each other. They have big hearts.
At Littleton High School, we are a warm, diverse community where we bring all students together.
We believe in diversity and equity and inclusion here at Littleton, and we want to offer that programming for all students.
I love Littleton because of the people. I'm president of Latinos in Action. I'm also involved in Chess Club and Rubik's Cube Club, and Littleton's the place to be.
We have award-winning programming in our music, theater, and choir programming.
I've had so many opportunities here to be a part of the arts program. I'm in band, jazz combo, done pit orchestra, but as well as varsity sports, so track and field and tennis. I just love that the school is so inclusive that I can find a community whichever end of the building I'm at.
My favorite part about Littleton High School is really the performing arts program. That's why I came here. I'm a part of the orchestra, choir, and theater program. The staff is just wonderfully supportive and the community is just amazing.
My favorite thing here at the Littleton Theater Department is that I get to meet all sorts of great kids here. I get to watch the plays and the musicals, just have fun with experimenting with who I can be in different characters.
My favorite club at Littleton is mock trial because I enjoy the competition.
I enjoy many clubs in Littleton, like Chess Club, because of the people there that all are really into it.
I love Littleton Athletics because it gave me the opportunity to continue playing the sport I love.
I love Littleton Athletics because of the diversity in sport and the opportunity to make friends along the way.
Here at Littleton High School, we utilize restorative practices to help build healthy relationships and build a healthy community.
At Littleton High School, we believe that students are not just people in a classroom, but are whole people that deserve the care and compassion. We have 2 full-time mental health professionals that serve our whole building and 2 school psychs that work with students that receive IEP services.
Here at Littleton Lions, I like the athletics because I can build my mind, body, and spirit.
My favorite thing about Littleton Athletics is the people and teammates I've got to play with along the way.
I like playing baseball at Littleton because I get to hang out with my friends.
One thing I love about Littleton is I get to be involved in many things. For example, I play soccer and I plan all the school pep rallies.
I chose Littleton because of the strong-knit community and my favorite color is purple.
I chose Littleton because I wanted to make friends for life.
We really live out the slogan, big enough to serve you, but small enough to know you. And so we want to get to know you and your family, and we hope to see you next semester at Littleton High School.